is not.
So no cussing or spitting or scratching, okay, Gerald? Because you're on tape.
Hey, this thing doesn't fit right.
There it goes.
Okay.
You want me to put this down and give you a hand?
There we go.
Tell me if you want me to do something, I will.
Ouch. God damn it.
You got one?
You must have grabbed him.
Yeah, that's how I got stung last year. It was my own fault. I put my hand on the bottle to turn the lid, and I didn't pay attention, and I just grabbed him, you know, pressed him right into the lid. That is a beautiful sound. Wow. See, like this year, last year it just looked like a bunch of bees to me. This year, I immediately am spotting all the boys. They really stand out, don't they?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's such a remarkable difference. Do you want me to do something?
No.